Hello everyone, Bowser Crush 19 here, finally back with another Spice review. Now, today, I got something that's a limited time. Wendy's, spicy chicken flavored Pringles. You know the deal. Open them up. Unfortunately, my roommates got into these before I could tell them to buzz off, but yeah, practically unopened. Oh, there's actually we got a broken one. Ah, first full one. It don't look spicy. Oh well, you know the deal. Down the hatch. Oh! Get you serious? That's it? I was expecting these to be face meltingly hot. But no, they're about as hot as a bag of Takis, but yeah. Well, that's gonna get number 5. That's gonna get a 3 or 4 on the spice scale. That's it. Alright. Make sure you like the video. Comment down below telling me what I should try next. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, a ding ding ding, so I don't miss any of my uploads in the future. Alright, this has been Bowser Crush 19, signing off. See ya!